G'day, I'm Andy from AC Solar Warehouse. I'm our product specialist for Schletter racking systems. So Schletter are a German company who manufacture a really high quality and clever racking system. They use clip-in splices and module clamps for a faster and easier installation. So you can save some time on your installations and potentially get some more jobs done during the day with this system. They also offer a number of different roof interfaces for different types of roofs, including direct-to-sheet interfaces, which allow you to install your interfaces off the purlins, which can help you get around some really complicated designs or where you can't meet clamp zones and things like this. So come and talk to us today at All Energy. We might be able to help you with some solutions using Schletter racking, and you can save some time and money on your installations.